Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I gonna show you a prototyping tool that is from Facebook. Seriously, and I didn't even knew about it. How is it possible? Like all of those years, this thing exists, and like I or we designers have no idea. Like I haven't seen any of the big designer featuring it. How? Okay, so that's the thing. And another thing is, it will give your Figma design a life, to be honest, because prototyping tools in Figma are total shit. Yes, shit. If someone from Figma watching it, or if you love Figma and you are watching me, you may hate me, but to be honest, it's totally shit because I like at XD more, like Adobe XD more than Figma when it comes to the prototyping, the interaction part. And I find Framer to be like very complex because I use Figma, and if I even copy all of the designs to Framer, it doesn't work properly. So I have to maintain my design in Figma because obviously I love Figma for designing only, but not for prototyping. That's why sometimes I say my clients, like, I will prepare the design and I will only charge for it, but I will not prepare the prototyping, like the interactions and all. Okay, I will give you the workflow, but I will not design that interactions, because in Figma, like if you want to animate a hover state, you have to create multiple copies of the frame. Like, this is crazy. Why should I? There should be a way better way in for hover state and all. They made lay like button layers, right? What they say that whatever components, they made components, and they made different, like, layered components. What they say that, I don't know. Whatever, like different type of components to state whatever the state of the component right now, like if it's on hover state, if it's a single button. They have maintained that design, like maintain that workflow to cover all of this into one design system, but they never made the animation part. I don't know why. This is total frustration against Figma from my side. But yeah, Figma sucks at prototyping. So it gonna actually bring that up too, because it totally supports Figma designs. You can export SVGs. Obviously Figma use everything SVGs, and uh text to this thing, and you will be able to work along with it. Okay, so let me share the platform with you. I haven't logged into it yet, because as you guys, I want to also have a, like, a first uh like giving it a review of, like, someone moving forward from Figma to this. But obviously I will not change my preferred designs, like design software, that is Figma. There is actually icon is Lunacy, yeah, but still I find it's a little bit in the laggier side, because obviously it's not having the community feature. But icons like Lunacy, I can understand, it's totally used for design only. But in this case, I think this software is mostly dedicated to the prototyping area. Okay, so let me give you an overview before, like, rather than telling all of those things. Okay, so let's just view it together. So here is our today's design tool, that is Origami Studio 3. Yeah, version 3. I haven't used 1 or 2, directly 3. Like, this is awesome. So obviously it's made for designing, animating, and prototyping. So obviously they have included the design portion as well. But I haven't used it yet, but I am not too much sure about the designing portion, if I'm gonna like it or not, like if I will use it or not. And actually, most of the cases, I will not use this design, like it for design, because, and only because, it will not have the community feature as Figma, where I can get tons of designs, tons of templates, tons of plugins for my software. So that's obviously it will not have, but it have another great features like prototyping and animation. As you can see, they have actually provided kind of a blender kind of thing, okay, from where you can animate actually every portion and connect every portion. This is how a actual prototyping or animation software should look like. Because as sorry, as if we are using blender, when we use this thing called key mapper, I don't know what it says, I think key mapper. So you connect all of those portion, all of those intersection, all of those sections, like all of those elements to everything, right? Like how it will work and all. And even in Da Vinci, yeah, even in Da Vinci, in the fusion panel we also have this, okay, to animate things. So this obviously makes sense in the genre of animation, right? But it like they never provided, like Figma never provided something like this, and they will not, because they suck at prototyping. Yeah, I have to say that again and again, but they suck at prototyping. And let me just connect my laptop to charger, but it will go down. Wait. Yeah. So sorry for the interruption. Back again. Whatever. So yeah, that's the software that we are seeing right now. So introducing canvas, frames in Figma, a new way to visually lay out your origami prototypes with freedom, drawing tools, editing, blah blah blah, and a lot of things they are saying. Easily edit dynamic layouts and all. To be honest, I seriously have to use it, but these interactions look great. Seriously, this looks great because it really shines through, like how they are connecting each portions. Okay, in Figma, I can only connect one component to another page, not component to component. I don't know why that doesn't make sense, right? I don't know here I can do that or not, but I think can. Creating visualization from live audio recorded sounds. Oh, photo library, hyper realistic feedback, access GPS data. Wow, device motions. Some great quality prototyping that they have right here. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Easy to import, even easier to share. So, yeah, here you can see they have complete support for Figma as well as Sketch. Just install your Figma plugin and copy paste it here, and you can record your prototype. So here is the thing: whenever I make a prototype, even if I make a prototype, capturing a video of it is way harder, because I have the option only to screen record it. Okay, and if I like record the screen, and after that just export it out in GIF and all, GIF or GIF, whatever you want to call it, it like that the quality actually decreases a lot and it looks bad. So that is something that they are greatly resolving over here, that I can record it as well. And yeah, nearby share, that's also great. Like they have really great features included into it. But the most interesting thing about Origami Studio is it's free. Yeah, it's free, it's literally free. And I totally got crazy about this portion. Like, this is free, obviously this is from Facebook, So I think they have made it to design their own softwares, as we can see it over here, like clearly see it over here. Here is a Facebook Live example. Here is like Instagram screen. Yeah, Instagram Reels screen. No, not just Reels, Instagram camera example. Okay. So yeah, we can totally understand they have made it to create their own softwares only, then they have like published it publicly as well. You can have some examples as well. Obviously there are few tabs. First of all, learn, example, patterns, documentation, and community. So obviously I will suggest you to go through the learning examples first. Go to the learn section first, because we have to learn it, and I will actually learn it, because as I said, it gonna give me a perk over like everything, because now I can provide prototypes to my customers and I can charge for it, because I was totally losing all of like losing some portion of the customers, or uh, I was not making my customer that much of satisfied just because I can't deliver the prototypes, because that would be a lot of work. Even if I want to like design a small hover effect on a button, I have to like work with 4 or 5 frames, right? And that doesn't make sense at all. Why would I? Okay. So in this scenario, I think it would make more sense rather than copying a lot of screen. So if I go for like simple, uh okay, so I can download it. And obviously there was mentioned that you can record your prototype. So that I am assuming right now this is a recorded session, obviously, because it's like a video. Yeah, it's on loop as well. So obviously it's a video. And they have kept the things here, like what are the related contents used over here. So that is also great, right? That is really, really great. And related patterns also, like bottom sheet, feedback, collapsible, all of the native related patterns. Okay, native development related patterns are over here as well. So what I can literally see over here, this software is made for specifically for mobile viewers rather than web, because they have provided like many interactions from the web, right? Like from the native development or native size and all, like native iOS or Android. Because this I can see, wait, let me show you. Wait, where was that? Yeah, bottom sheet is totally a native thing. Okay, native development thing. And by native I am meaning mobile development. Okay, mobile native development. So that kind of a thing. So they have provided a lot for mobile development specifically, but not for web dev. But can't you use it with web dev? Obviously you can, but you will not get all of those feature over there. But still, slider is always same, right? Because if you go to this example, like again I'm going to this example, here is see horizontal scrolling. So obviously scrollings and all of those things are always same over the platform. So that is something that can be repeatable, right? So that is one thing. So yeah, that's it about this thing. I will obviously download it myself, use it for a bit with my older projects, or in my newer project. No, most probably not in my newer project, but in my older projects, obviously, because I really want to try it out. So that's it for this video. That's it for Origami Studio 3. And if you have used it before, please let me know about your review as well, because that would be also important for me. And if you know about such great apps that are lying around and no one actually knows about it, please let me know about all of them, so I can feature them in my future video as well. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye.